Where is crypto actually stored? Hot wallets, cold wallets, exchanges. What's the difference? In this video, I'm going to make it very easy for you to understand. So crypto is always stored on the blockchain. It's not stored on some computer. It's not stored in the cloud. It's not even stored on a hardware wallet. It's always on the blockchain. What is stored on those devices is the keys that control the crypto. And if you have your crypto on an exchange, they have the key to control the crypto. And if you have your crypto on a self-custody wallet, well, you have the keys to control the crypto. And I like to compare it to a mailbox, actually a see-through mailbox that everyone can see what's going on, just like we can see on a transparent public blockchain. But just because we could all see what's inside of the mailbox doesn't mean we actually have access to it. If you have your crypto on an exchange, really you have the keys on the exchange. They have access to it. And if you have crypto, or really the keys on your own self-custody wallet, you have access to the crypto. So really, we're just moving around keys. For example, even if you have a hardware wallet that you generated a seed phrase with, and then that hardware wallet breaks, and then you take that seed phrase and restore it on a hot wallet, you'd think you transferred crypto from a cold wallet to a hot wallet. But really, nothing changed. The crypto is in the same spot on the blockchain. What really happened is you transferred the keys from a more secure device to a less secure device. So why is there risk keeping your crypto, or really your keys, on an exchange? Well, when we use an exchange, the mailbox is no longer transparent. We actually can see what's inside. We have to trust the exchange when they tell us that the crypto is actually there. But let's say we could see what's inside of the mailbox, or we could see that our funds were actually there. Well, if we want to access them, we can't on our own. We have to ask permission from the exchange, because remember, they are the ones that hold the key to the mailbox. They are the ones that hold the key to the crypto. So when we hold our crypto on a self-custody wallet, whether it's a hot wallet or a cold wallet, we know the funds are there. It is a see-through mailbox again. And if we want to access those funds, we can do so at any time. So what's the difference between a hot wallet and a cold wallet? The main difference is the way we secure those keys. So with a hot wallet, you've probably heard that it is less secure. The reason is because when we generate keys for a hot wallet, it is displayed on a device connected to the internet. So if your computer is compromised, the hacker will already have access to your seed phrase. But for the most part, that's not the case. Usually when we create hot wallets, our devices, whether it's a computer or the phone, it's usually fine. But then moving forward, the seed phrase for our hot wallets is actually stored in the wallet's browser. So if in the future your computer becomes compromised, or you download malware on your phone or computer, a remote hacker may have access to your crypto. And also, if someone is able to gain remote access to your computer, or your computer is compromised, transactions can be made on your phone or your computer, and the transaction will be signed on the app. Basically, with a hot wallet, your seed phrase is exposed to the internet. And hot wallets are good. I'm not hating on them. I use them myself, and actually a lot of people in this space use hot wallets. They are seamless. They are very convenient. But usually when people use hot wallets, it is recommended to not keep all of their funds on a hot wallet. As you can see, it is exposed to the internet, making your crypto vulnerable, or actually, to be correct, making the keys to your crypto more vulnerable. Now, when it comes to a cold wallet, why is it more secure? Well, with a cold wallet, we generate the seed phrase offline on a device that is not directly connected to the internet. Right off the bat, this makes our seed phrase more secure. And then moving forward, the seed phrase is not stored on the wallet's browser. The seed phrase is offline. So even if a hacker gains remote access to our phone or our computer, they won't be able to access our seed phrase. And if our device is fully compromised and a hacker gets right into our computer and starts making transactions, well, they won't be able to, because the final transaction must be signed on the physical device. So if you have a remote hacker gain access to your hot wallet, they can potentially make transactions just through the internet. But if they gain access to your computer, but your funds are in a hardware wallet, they would need the physical device itself to sign a transaction. This is why hardware wallets are more secure than hot wallets. And when using hardware wallets, you may notice you connect them to apps such as MetaMask. When doing so, this does not make your hardware wallet become a hot wallet. The seed phrase is still secure on the hardware wallet. We are only using an app such as MetaMask as an interface. So let's say we connect our ledger to MetaMask and our computer becomes compromised. There is no seed phrase for our ledger that is stored on that MetaMask. Also, if someone gains direct control of our computer and starts making transactions on the interface for MetaMask, well, they'll have to sign the final transaction on the hardware wallet itself, which they don't have. So whenever you see a hardware wallet being used with a hot wallet, really the hot wallet is just being used as an interface. Crypto is always stored on the blockchain. The only difference is where we store the keys. And as we know, hardware wallets are the most secure way to do so. And my favorite hardware wallet is Ledger Nano. There's a Ledger Nano S Plus and the Ledger Nano X. And I made a comparison video right here to help you choose which one is right for you.